There's Metrolink 606 coming in. This is the new Angels Express train. Unfortunately, there is no more 6502, so this is it. Here's the Angels Express. 876 on point. Angels Express, that's for you, Fan2LA and Crazy Angel 1000. This is it. Got car 661 on the back. We have no idea yet. We'll find out in just a second. 463, I'm guessing, if the rotation followed. Angels Express to the right. It is... Oh, so that's where 100 is. It's the extra cab car. Yeah. Cut. I don't know. Anyways.
450?
Oh yeah. Or no, 460. And we're rolling. Departure 785. 6900, that's for you, Fan2LA. And 6908, that's not for Fan2LA anymore, but it is for Crazy Angel 1000. Used to be Fan2LA's favorite cab car, but he doesn't like it anymore, so. I'll be running behind 6908 tomorrow on 579. That's my second favorite cab car. When I go to Angels game with the guys. Rick AL and Crazy Angel 1000. Cut. Yeah.
It's not like outtakes or anything.
With exactly 30 minutes until first pitch, we decided to do another take.
How many of the Angel fans take this one? Alright.
Yeah.
Because it only seems right because it's their night.
Yeah, it's our night, so.
Yeah, our night, man. Yeah, go against Mariners. And of course, you've heard King Felix is coming up tomorrow.
Get in the shot. I already got this.
Yeah, well, first you should announce that we're going to the game.
Heads up, these two or
no, not him. Me
no,
and two other Railfanners who are not here, Enrique and Angel.
They're going to the game tomorrow. Keep a heads up for what? This jersey?
My favorite player, Garrett Richards. And basically everything I'm wearing is what I'm going to wear tomorrow.
Especially with this leather hat. Let me get it to you. Yep.
Rockin'.
So keep an eye out for this guy. He'll be wearing that tomorrow.
I'll probably record on I'm taking 579 up and 796 back home.
So, I think he like traded to his old team now or what?
No, he's only played with the Cardinals other than the Angels.
Yeah.
I know Padres fans, most Padres fans don't like him because he tattooed the Padres when he was with the Cards. He would torture them a lot. Like, he'd hit homers in Petco and like, yeah.
I remember when he did the All-Star game at the Cincinnati ballpark, there were Cincinnati fans booing him because you know the whole St. Cincinnati thing.
Right.
But he's like, no, I'm an Angels, man.
Yeah, he's like, chill out, man. I haven't been in St. Louis for the last 4 years. Yeah, as for Enrique doesn't have any Angel gear yet, but hopefully he will.
After that game?
Yeah, Angel's going to be wearing his Angel shirt that he wore on his birthday. Back on, I don't know if
I think that should be it.
Yeah, tomorrow, Angels versus Mariners, 6:05. Me and the guys, Enrique and Angel, will all be there. So,
versus that infamous King Felix?
It's King Felix, unfortunately. He was supposed to pitch tonight, but unfortunately they moved him to tomorrow against Hector Santiago. Richards isn't pitching until Monday, so unfortunately I will not see him this weekend, but I do hope to watch my boy G-Rich pitch at some point this season. Yeah, my mom was just walking down Highland Avenue. She's on her way back. We're going to go to Chatua after this. Before Fan2LA takes off. And Yeah, you know, I thought it was 188 at first, which was back on the surf line about 9 months ago. 10 months ago, almost. So he came down here like end of June.
I'm only number 2. Nice.
39.
Close on some of these old Superliners, you still see the base 4 ping they had on it.
Yep, and when they stop. Here's the northbound Angels Express pulling in. One from Laguna Niguel. Running about 10-15 minutes late. Taking off now, Eric Flores.
Next week.
See you all at Railroad Days. I will catch one more train and then I'm going to go over to a sports bar down the street to watch the Angels versus Mariners game, and then I'm going to hop on 790 back home. I think he just walked away, I guess. Well, he didn't really want this, but like I said, it's Angels night, so everything's up to me, and I wanted to do his departure video, so he agreed to it. So now waiting 608, and that'll be my last train till 790. Here's Metrolinx 608 arriving into Fullerton. Nice sunset in the background. With fan tool and everybody else gone, this will be my last train before 790, so enjoy it. 894 on point. Cab car 649. Sorry for the shakiness there. This will be my last train until 790 comes in, as the Angel game is just underway. couple Angel fans missed the Angels Express, so they were here and they just jumped on this train. Hopefully they're not too late for the game, and I hope they're not late for the double logo baseball cap giveaway. We were going to go tonight, but Enrique's busy tonight and he wanted to see the Mariners with us, so we are going tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video and we'll be back after. Watch out, they're coming in hot. Looks like it. Goes. Decided to get off here tonight instead of Carlsbad Village. That way I can buy my tickets tonight. I can buy my tickets for when I go to the game tomorrow, tonight, instead of doing it tomorrow when I'm back here before I get on 579. That was for Eric Forrest, Fans of LA. There goes 790 south to San Diego. See you in the videos from the